Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Messenger when you have been hacked. To know how to fix or how to solve Messenger when you have been hacked, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this list, you will search about this window of Messenger. After that, in this list of app and for you will click on force stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage and you will click in this window. After that we click clear cache, but be attention, don't click clear data, it may cause a lot of issues or errors on your app. And then you can turn off your phone, you will wait a moment and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.